23809 to please board the aircraft now to gate 1 and 1 all parties.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game how we say. I need a break. Time to stay strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time to stay strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
Balik ID po, set number po, boarding pass.
On when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. It's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it.
Time to stay strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time to stay strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Yes sir, good afternoon. May transfer na sir.
Wala pa.
Ano hotel kayo sir?
Hennan Palm Beach.
Ilan po?
Salak.
Ito sir, 800 per person po. Diretso na po sa Hennan Palm. Kasama na po lahat ng tax. Terminal fee, environmental fee, tsaka boat ticket.
Okay.
Sir, pa-right lang ako ng main sir.
Lahat na to?
Yes sir. Tapos pag QR code lang sir, pa-ready po yung health declaration. Dito lang sir yung health deck. Yung QR code sir. Yes ma'am, sir.
Saan na connect sa atin? Ha?
Paglabas sir, sa right side yung van sir. Salamat.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of things. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Ilan pa?
I'll be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay, I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's gone.
Ano hotel yan?
Hennan Palm. Karate. Sweeter.
on each and every day. Past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Thank you.
Dikit lang muna dito, mama.
Way back a year ago.
Sir, may mag-assist din po sa inyo ng coordinator din po, sir.
Okay. Sige. Tapos i-drop na ako dun sa Hennan.
Yes po.
Okay.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling them out, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just build an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained
Salamat,
from the
ate.
people
Thank
who
you.
deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, proceed, ain't it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they sleep. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
Pangalaman po sa lahat ng ating mga mahal na pasahero ng MPH Resort. Obserbahan po natin ang social distancing. Panatilihin ang pagsuot ng face mask at face shield. Bago po tayo bumaba ng bangka, kung maaari lamang po, manatili muna tayong nakaupo. At sa ating pagbaba, isa-isa lamang po na nakadepende sa ating mga upuan. Panatilihin po natin ligtas ang bawat isa sa atin. Maraming salamat po.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel
never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So
Ito yung
fight and fight and die
lobby ng
for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life